Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Leah Toshie. Welcome. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and review of the Members Pick Fabfitfun subscription box. I am so excited for this video because you guys, I have never gotten a Fabfitfun box before. I've never really had any subscription, not the Ipsy, not the BoxyCharm, none of the none of these subscription box things that they have out there I have ever tried. But I feel like this box and this brand specifically aligns perfectly with everything that I'm interested in. Has a little bit of fashion, beauty, but then also fitness and lifestyle. And I have always personally struggled on my own social media with trying to choose just makeup or just hair, just beauty or just fitness. And I don't like to choose because I like all of those things, and all of those things are in this beautiful box right here. So I'm super excited, and I want to give a huge shout out to Fabfitfun for partnering with me on this video. Even saying that sentence out loud is like what? We're moving on up in the world. I'm so excited to be partnering with them on this video. So yeah, let's get started. But before we jump in, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Definitely don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my box right here. I have not really opened it yet. I did take a little peek, but I haven't looked at each individual item just yet. But before we jump in, I just want to give you a little information on what Fabfitfun is if you're not familiar. So they are a subscription box that does seasonal boxes. So I really love that about this company because, for instance, a lot of other subscriptions do every month, and sometimes it can get to be a lot. You're paying each month for that, and then you might not be using the products that fast. But with Fabfitfun, it's seasonal. And like I mentioned before, the boxes have varying items from beauty products to fitness, lifestyle, fashion, all in one. And another thing that sets this company apart is that they are giving you full-size products. So not a bunch of travel size, full-size products, girl. And its value is over $200, but you're paying like 40 bucks. If you use my discount code, I will have it on the screen and in the description box, you do get $10 off. The code is just Leah10, and you get this entire box of hundreds of dollars worth of amazing products for $39.99. So I don't really know why you wouldn't get the box. So yeah, amazing company, amazing brand. They do a lot of things for the community as well, and I will link everything you need to know about them below so you can check them out and do a deep dive. So this particular box is the Members Pick box. Fabfitfun's members picked the top rated products and their best picks, and then you get to customize your box based on those items to create your own Members Pick box. So just opening the box, there are a lot of items in here. Like I mentioned before, these are full-size products. And then we also get a HelloFresh $80 off including free shipping coupon here, which if y'all don't know, I am all about the HelloFresh. I love HelloFresh. I'm kind of new to it, but it's been my new obsession. So really cool that you get this here, especially if you haven't tried HelloFresh yet, then here's your opportunity. Okay, and then jumping into what's in the box. I don't even know where to start really. I guess we'll start with this product right here. This is the Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. So with this box, when I was doing my picks, I did choose some of the products, so you can pick, or you can choose to have like a surprise and they can just pick one of the products for you, and then when you get it, it's kind of a surprise because you didn't specifically pick it. What is this? Oh, this is like okay, so this is a sponge, and it says to place it under water, squeeze and absorb, and then you massage it in circular motions. It says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Wait, can I reuse this like multiple times? Oh yeah, it says squeeze out excess water after each use. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. It smells so good. I love this. I can't wait to try it. And then the next product is this, which I don't really know what this is. It's a makeup eraser. It says erase all makeup with just water. It's antibacterial and reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin. I don't really know what this is. So it's like a little towel. Oh my God, it's really soft. It's made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers. It's 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair. Oh, okay. And adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of the skin. All right, so basically it is like a reusable, fancier makeup wipe is what I'm getting from this. That'll be interesting. I definitely want to try it. I don't usually use makeup wipes to begin with, but if this can prevent me from using so much of my face wash to like double and triple cleanse my face, then I am down and excited to try it. Next, we have this product by IGK. I've only ever used like one IGK product before, so I'm excited. This is the Amla, I hope I'm saying that right, Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. We love a hair product. Y'all know I'm all about the hair. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, first of all, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, UV protection, mineral oil-free, paraben and sulfate-free. So that's good. Okay, so this is, okay, I thought this was like a top coat, meaning when your hair is already styled and everything, you just use it as like an oil to put over your ends and stuff like that. But no, girl. This is a in-shower gloss treatment to protect and enhance color and shine. So you use this in the shower on wet hair. It says to use it 1 to 2 times a week in place of your conditioner. Oh, so you use this instead of your conditioner. Okay, so this is an in-shower thing. I am excited to try this. I thought this was just a simple little top oil. No, honey. I have never used a product like this, an in-shower gloss treatment. I'm excited to try this out for sure. And then next we have, what is this? The Lavito. This is the Lavito Nurturing Hand Cream, and it says musk, coconut, and shea butter. That sounds like a freaking dream. Open it. I want to smell it and feel it. My hands could always use moisture, especially as much and how often and like obsessively we're all washing our hands right now with the pandemic going on. That smells amazing. Sometimes I don't like when a hand cream is super thick. So this one's perfect. It is thick, like thicker than your regular lotion, but it's not crazy thick. And I don't have a hand lotion right now, so I'm just gonna leave that in my purse. That's exciting. And then next we have the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I'm kind of lit. Okay, so recently my skin has been doing really well because I started using some new products, but the one thing that I am missing is something to brighten the skin because I do get really bad hyperpigmentation and like dark marks from acne, and I don't have, like I have so many masks right now. I have so many sheet masks and acne masks, like everything is pretty much towards acne, but I've been looking for a brightening product to try to incorporate to maybe help lighten the dark marks that I have. So this is freaking perfect. It's a brightening purple clay mask. Yeah, and it is cruelty free. I am excited to try this out, and if you guys want updates on any of these products, just let me know in the comments. I probably will update you guys, but on my Instagram stories. So definitely follow me there to get an update on these products after I have given them all a fair shot. Ooh, okay, now we're getting into some non-beauty things. So what is this? This is what I really want to know because she's big. What is this? Okay, I don't know what my brain was thinking. I like, for some reason thought this was wine or like a little, you know those little champagne things that people give you, like the small ones? This box just gave me like a drink vibe, like I thought it was some kind of beverage. But y'all, this is a freaking diffuser. I am so excited. You guys know, or maybe you don't know, but I love home decor and I love smell good things. And I don't have a diffuser right now. I was looking for one, but I didn't get one yet, and this is one right here. So it comes with the oil and these cute little sticks. Oh my God, it's so cute. The whole time I'm thinking, does this match my aesthetic? It does. Oh my God, how cute is this? So you have the little thing here and you put the oil in. I'm not gonna do that part right now, but just to show you guys like how cute it is. How cute is that? Or you can set them all to one side if you like that vibe better. This totally matches my home aesthetic and it's probably gonna smell so freaking good, so I'm excited. They are putting incredible products in this box. I'm not even done unboxing this yet. That is crazy to me. Okay, we have 2 more items. We have this cute, I thought it was just a bag. This is a backpack. This is so cute. Y'all don't know this unless you watched my last video, but I have been super into little mini backpacks lately because it's such a 90s vibe. How cute is this? Hold on, let me put this on. How cute is this bag? Okay, $39.99 and I'm getting a full-on hair product, a whole mask, a whole freaking diffuser, a whole backpack. Are you kidding? This is so cute. I'm definitely gonna use this. It'll totally hold all your stuff. It has front pockets. You can't tell me this isn't cute. And last but not least, y'all, we have some jewelry. It just doesn't stop. It is a amber, oh my God, like why? I'm just so bad at reading apparently, but look how cute these necklaces are. So it looks like it's gonna be a stacked necklace. I'm about to put this on right now. I love jewelry, you guys. I'm very much so a jewelry person. I always have been. But another thing too is that I personally really like mixing metals. I know not everyone is into that. My rings are all silver, but then I always wear this bracelet and she's gold. So I love that this is a gold necklace. It's super cute. So it is a stacked necklace. So cute. Stacked necklaces are so in right now. Did I put it in? That's what she said. That's what he said. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, so those are all of the items in my members pick Fabfitfun box. Honestly, there's not one thing in here that I'm like, I don't think I'll use that, or that's not really cute. I love everything that's in this box. And again, if you want updates on if some of the skin or hair products worked well, or even this like shower scrub thing that I'm excited to try. If y'all wanna know, just let me know. And again, I will probably update you guys on my Instagram. So definitely follow me there. But again, thank you to Fabfitfun for partnering with me on this video. I am so happy with all of the items in the box. Again, if you guys are wanting to try Fabfitfun, use my code. It's just Leah10 for $10 off your first box. So $39.99 for all of these amazing products. Thank you guys again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.